Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Brijournal here, and I'm going to be doing a vlog for you guys, a day in the life. I need to run some errands. I need to go to the mall. I need to go to Target, the Container Store, and I think that's about it. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I do vlogs, cleaning videos, lifestyle content, hair videos, all of that. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, then definitely subscribe. And if you are not new, then thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so please consider subscribing to help me reach 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, I'm just gonna start vlogging, and I hope you guys enjoy.
The shoes on my feet, I bought the clothes I'm wearing, I bought the rock I'm rocking, I bought 'cause I depend on me. If I wanted the watch I'm wearing, I bought the house I live in, I bought the car I'm driving, I bought it. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the way back with me. Throw your hands up at me. All the honey make you money. Throw your hands up at me. All the mamas drop $1. Throw your hands up at me. All the ladies truly baby. Throw your hands up at me. You know you could get down like that.
Okay y'all, so I'm back from all of the stores. I stopped by the mall, the Container Store, and Target. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. The first thing I got was from Bath and Body Works, and I wasn't expecting to get anything out of there, but you know it just happened. So first off, when I walked in there, it smelled so good, and I asked the lady what's that smell, and she sprayed some kind of spray, and it wasn't it. And then she showed me this room spray, and it is the White Barn raspberries and whipped vanilla, and it literally smells so good. I'm about to spray right now. I wish y'all could smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's an addictive smell. It's really good. So the other things I got were 2 replacement car what do they call it, car fragrance vent clips, because I don't know what happened to mine. They just disappeared. I don't know how. I got the mango mai tai, the watermelon lemonade, and champagne toast. And I've gotten champagne toast before, and that is like really good. So I know for a fact that anybody would like champagne toast. So that's what I got. At the food court, I got some Chipotle. I stopped in Zara, and actually I got a lot of things from Zara, like from their app. I ordered a whole bunch of items, but I ended up returning them because I just didn't like the way they looked. In the end, I just kept like this basic white shirt. Is cropped a little bit, and I got it in the black version, and I also got like a black tank top. But when I went to Zara today, I realized that I need a black puffer, and I almost got the North Face one, but I decided not to get it because I wanted to see if Zara had one, and they did. And actually my best friend has the same exact coat too, and this is an extra small, and I wouldn't think it would fit me, but I love the fit of it. It's perfect. I don't know if I will be able to wear a sweater under here, but honestly, I don't like sweaters anymore, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. But it's just so cute and just simple. It's not that shiny material that's like in style right now, like my bag, like this type of shiny material. It's more of a matte shine to it. So I really like it. I'm glad that I got it. I wish it was on sale because it's supposed to get hot, but it was still the original price. It was, I don't know, where's the tag? I don't see the tag on here. It was $80 nonetheless. And then the other store I went to was I'm about to put my jacket back on because I got makeup on this, and I don't know if you can see it, so I'm just gonna put my jacket back on. But I also went to the Container Store because I need to organize under my cabinet a little bit more, because I already have what I'm about to show you, but I needed one more to put like my pamper routine items in, because I'm getting more into like pampering myself and it's getting a little cluttered. So one more was good for me. I probably should have gotten 2 now that I think about it, for like oils. So this is called the Large and Athletic Shoe Drawer, and it is just a clear container, and you can buy dividers to just separate everything. And I just put my things in here. I'm gonna put like my scrubs and my lotions and all that type of stuff. I really should have gotten 2 now that I think about it, but Maybe I'll get it later. I might go next weekend again. Now, next I went to Target, and I also got some more containers. I'm going to show you. And I spilled my drink in it, but I just got these 2 containers, and I like it because you can reach for it. It has this like little slot thing in it, so it's by Brightroom too. So if you guys are on TikTok, you probably saw that this brand Brightroom in Target went viral, and this was only $12, and I got 2 of them. Like I said, I plan on putting this in my island cabinet just to organize it a little bit more. That has like Zane's stuff in it and all that, and I'm going to show you guys when I organize it just to have some more content for you guys. And from Target, I also got, what did I get? I got sensitive skin soap because I'm running out of the one I have now, and I'm breaking out, so I think I need the sensitive skin version. And I also needed some more Dove deodorant. This isn't the one I usually get. I usually get the one that fades your underarms if it's darker. I got some almond milk because I was running out, so I just got this big thing because they didn't have the regular size. Some Pure Energy. I never tried this before, but I need some like energy for like when I'm just tired during the weekday. And I got these Yeso vanilla ice cream cakes. I never had the ice cream sandwiches before, but I always get the bars, and I love the cookies and cream version, so I'm gonna try this out. It's only 100 calories. Let me put it in the freezer. And then for my pizza, I always make pizza, so I needed some more tomatoes because having tomatoes on your pizza is just so much better than having it with just pepperoni. And I also got some mozzarella cheese because I was running out, and that's the type of cheese that you would use for pizzas. So yeah, that's everything I got. And something fell out of my car, or I hope it fell out because it's not in the bag, so I need to go to my car and see if it's there. And I can't show it on camera because Lisa might be watching, and it's her birthday gift. So I'm about to do that. I'm about to come back and show you guys how I organized under my cabinet. Okay, so I went to my car, and luckily what I needed was in there, thank God, because I was afraid that it like fell out of my bag while I was at the mall or something. So that's a good thing. But I also went to pick up my Amazon packages, and I got Zane this new feeding bowl. It's elevated because he chokes on his water sometimes, so I think he's a little too tall for the one that sits on the floor. So I got this elevated dog bowl, and I got this from Aaliyah's Face's Amazon thing. And I like this because you can either use a glass bowl or the I don't know what you call this, but like the silver looking bowl. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with the glass just to keep the look of it. But I'm gonna switch this out. I need to wash it before I give it to Zane, and he is like jumping. Y'all haven't seen Zane in a while, so I'm about to show you him. This is Zaney. He got so big. I think he's done growing. He's turning 1 next month, and he's a toy poodle. If you do not know, if you're new to my channel, this is Zaney, and he is a very hyper dog, but he is very, very smart, and he is very attached to me. So yeah, we love Zaney, and he's super, super sweet. This is like the sweetest dog ever. He will not hurt a fly, and that's what I love about my Zaney, because he's just so sweet and innocent. And sometimes he can get a little much, but you know. And every time I walk Zane, people will comment on his paws because they look like little socks, and people say, "Oh, he's missing a sock." So yeah, this is my baby. And I also got from her Amazon store, or whatever it's called, this bug insect trap, because during the summertime, or just all the time, I always leave my balcony door cracked so Zane can use the bathroom whenever he needs to when I leave him. And during like the summertime and when it gets hot, bugs come in, and like gnats come in, so this is supposed to help with that. It's supposed to kill them. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna create a return just in case it doesn't get hot anytime soon, so that if I do use it later on and it doesn't work, I can go ahead and return it. So pointer tip, if you don't know if you're going to use something soon, hurry up and make the return, and then you can already have it ready just in case it goes past the original return date. So yeah, that's all that I got. I'm about to organize my apartment real quick, and yeah, so I'm going to show you guys right now me organizing under this island, and then me also organizing my bathroom self-care stuff. So let's get started. my vlog. And if you have not subscribed already, then please consider subscribing. And if you are subscribed already, then thank you so much for supporting me. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, leave a comment down below of anything, any questions you might have, or just any feedback on this video. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.